Hello world, and welcome to my YouTube channel. The reason I'm holding this knife is because I need it to open up these packages that I'm about to unbox, okay? So anyways, yeah, like I said, welcome to my channel. My name is Charity. I'm also known as Lady Luck Tutorials, and I hope you enjoy your stay. Yeah, okay, anyways, so I'm gonna be unboxing some packages that I've had sitting on my floor for 2 days now, and I've been dying to unbox them, but I wanted to unbox them on camera with you so we could check all of this amazing stuff out together. And that's what I'm gonna do now. Okay, I cannot be trusted with a knife. I don't really know what I'm doing. This is taped really well though, so that's impressive, okay? So I don't lose none of my goodies. All right, anyway, so I've actually got one box and then I've got another box that's the size of my body, so let's get started. Let's see what's inside. So these packages are from a company called Flamingo. And if you've never heard of Flamingo before, I actually had never heard of it before either, but I was recently introduced to it. They have a variety of so many different things. From phone cases to clothing to cosmetic items. They've got a lot of stuff on their website and everything looks just absolutely beautiful. I actually just enjoy scrolling through the page just because I like the visuals. But they've got a lot of cool stuff on their website and everything on their website is super affordable, so thumbs up to that. Anyways, let's see what we've got inside here. I have no clue what we've got inside here, but we're about to find out together. So the first thing we have here is, what is this? Oh, it's a little headband and it's got ears on it. Is that cat ears? What kind of ears is that? That is so cute. It is a light lavender. Ooh, I hope I don't get any makeup on it. And it's got ears. It's so cute, but it kind of look like Yoda. Kind of. Boop. Oh, this is so cute though. So I'm gonna be enjoying this. This is really good to put on to get your hair out of the way, to do your face mask, to do your skincare, wash your face, whatever. These really actually come in handy and they're super soft and comfortable, which makes it even better. The next item we have here is nicely bubble wrapped for its protection. And this is called Queen of Everything. Oh! Wow! That is so cute! Oh my gosh, that is so cute. It is a coffee cup. That is adorable. And it says Queen of Everything on it. Can you even see it because the glare of my light? Oh my god, that's so cute! I love it. And it also came with this handy dandy spoon stir. Oh my god. This is like my favorite thing right now. Wow, that's so cute, so cute. Next thing we have here looks very interesting. I'm not sure what it is, but I think I have an idea of what it is. It is a scarf bandana thingy. Okay, okay. You can actually fold it up like bandana and wear it as a headband. You know, I'm obviously not putting my effort into it, but that's pretty much what it is, or you could use it as a scarf. Hey, this is actually really cute. And it's super soft, it's like satiny, so I really like that. And I think it looks cute right now as a scarf on me. That was the first box, and I obviously love everything in it, but let's get into the second box. A lot more tape on this box, and I'm cutting in the wrong direction. I'm cutting towards me, which my mother would probably yell at me right now over that, and then she would grab the knife and say she will do it instead. So if I end up hurting myself, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, I'm just kidding, I'm kidding. Okay, let's see what else we have here. So we've got a salad cutter bowl. I've actually always wanted one of these. This is awesome. So it's a no mess, no hassle, finish in 60 seconds without cutting board. Y'all know I don't have a cutting board, so that's good. Just one bowl, nutrition balance, never cut your fingers. Make your salad in 60 seconds. I promise you, I've always wanted one of these. This is so cool. So this is what it looks like. I'm sure you guys have seen them before, and pretty sure you can use it for anything, not just lettuce. But what you do, you put your food product here, put this on top, and then boop, boop, boop. Makes it a lot easier. Then you could turn it the other way and do it that way too. Yay! Wow, it's so awesome. I was not expecting that. See, I told you they have a wide range of variety. Next up, we have a mysterious box. Ooh, and more tape to cut. Oh, what is this? This is a glass bowl, which I'm not sure what it could be used for. Could use it as a fruit bowl, or you could use it to put your jewelry in. Little knickknacks like that. This is very pretty, but it doesn't say what it's for. I'll have to find it on the website and check that out, but it's very pretty. It's a little glass bowl with gold details. Next up here, we have a little decorative piece. This is cute. Actually a feather. And it's on this little wooden piece, and it's a mint green and gold. This is quite different. I don't own anything like this, so this is pretty neat. See, we've got one more package here, and this says on the back, what a great concept to have a piece of art that we made to be used in the makeup world. Wow. First of all, I like this pink box, but yeah, okay, let me show you what's inside. I got a whole brush set. Oh, what is this? Oh, a brush purse holder. Oh, that's nice, especially for travel, even though I don't travel much, or even just to put them away, to store away. I don't have one of these, so that's actually really nice. And it's pretty too. Oh, it actually matches my backdrop. I got these brushes. These look like really nice brushes. They come in this little pouch here. And I've got a whole bundle of brushes. Let me count and see how many there is. I've got 12 brushes here, and it's a variety of face and eye brushes. So let's check these out. First of all, the color matches the carry purse. Is so cute. Wow. Oh my God. These feel like a silky heaven. That feels so amazing. If I had an ASMR microphone right now, I would be letting you hear my fingers go smoothly across the brush. No, okay, seriously, these are nice brushes. I've got an angled contour brush here. I've got this brush. I've got this brush. This one's interesting. I like that. That's gonna put on my baking powder under my eye really well. Got a big fluffy brush here, which could be used for powder. And then we have this brush here. Oh my God, that's so perfect for a highlighter. Feel actually really nicely made, and they're super soft, and I'm not seeing any shedding, which I love because I hate having a brush that sheds. Anyways, okay, so let's get on to the eye brushes. We've got a flat brush here, got a little smudge brush, got a little blending brush. We've got a concealer brush. I've got an angled eyeliner brush, which I actually love to use for my eyebrows. We've got an eyeliner brush. See, this one would be used for my eyeliner, while the angled one I will use for my eyebrows. We've got a nice fluffy blending brush. Oh yeah. This brush is probably going to be my favorite. I love a blending brush. Blending brushes are life. Okay, anyways, so yeah, these brushes are actually really nice. They feel amazing, and I can already tell they're going to work really well, and no shedding. Oh my God. They seriously just, they feel like I am just touching silk. So yeah, I got all of this from the Flamingo Shop. They have some really cute stuff. Like I said, they have a wide range of variety and everything's really affordable and pretty. And these brushes feel really good. And they came with a little carrying case, so I'm sold. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed watching me unbox everything I got from the Flamingo Shop. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet. If you're already subscribed, then you already know I appreciate it and I'll love you forever. So yeah, let me know what was your favorite item that I got, and I will see you next time. Bye!